when Mom, when Ariana was going to sleep in the car, she went like. Yeah, it was funny.
What you looking at? Are you trying to punch the camera?
No. Oh, she said no.
You are so cute. And do you see Mommy playing on her phone? Do you see Mommy?
Oh, she said yes.
No. You're so cute, aren't you?
You didn't see Mommy playing on her phone. You didn't see Mommy playing on her phone.
Stop it. I need that phone. That's Daddy's phone. Daddy. Are you trying to punch me?
Yeah.
Are you trying to punch me? Yeah? No? Can you talk?
Look at the bubble.
Oh, she has a bubble. Oh, she's wiping it off. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye. Bye. Oh. Okay. Bye. No, that's
Bye.
fine.
Toodles.
Yeah? Bye.